Introducing fantastic PDC resources and where to find them. This video is a quick overview of some fantastic free resources for those of you looking to integrate PDC into your undergraduate curricula. The resources highlighted in this video needed to fit 3 criteria. It's free, it targets required undergraduate courses in computer science, and it's of reasonable high quality. The first resource we highlight is CSinParallel, which offers a set of free modules that have been tried and tested at various institutions in the Midwestern United States. Each module contains all the material an instructor needs to implement it in their course, along with a detailed web-based description for students. Unplugged activities are another way to introduce PDC in the classroom. PDC Unplugged contains a curation of nearly 40 activities gathered from a survey of the PDC literature. Each activity contains details for implementation, mappings to CS 2013 learning outcomes and TCPP topics, available assessment, appropriate citations, and notes on accessibility and recommended courses. Visitors can also filter activities by specific CS 2013 learning outcomes, TCPP topics, recommended courses, and by senses and communication mediums. TSGL is the thread-safe graphics library, which allows multiple threads to draw to a shared canvas in approximate real time. If each thread draws on the canvas using a unique color, each can display its contribution to a multi-threaded computation, creating a visualization of that computation. Current visualizations include the dining philosopher's problem, producer-consumer, reader-writers, and others. Some free textbooks aimed at undergraduate students contain chapters related to PDC. For example, Dive into Systems is a free online textbook for computer systems that contains chapters on multithreading and provides a broad overview of other PDC topics. Faculty teaching operating systems should check out Operating Systems 3 Easy Pieces, which offers in-depth coverage of concurrency topics. For additional ideas, check out the courseware search on the TCPP Curriculum Initiatives page. You can filter by file type, course, and other settings to view related artifacts deposited by instructors teaching PDC. If you know of any other fantastic free resources for teaching PDC to undergraduates, please reach out and let us know. We plan to update this video with more resources as we hear about them.